play AAU.
Okay, maybe why.
Okay. So we're gonna line up first down on the 35 yards. Okay.
What? We just gonna walk it out. Walk it out. Okay. You fix it. I'm gonna stop just in case. Got head.
Go where I want.
Got legs.
Play if you want. I'm a young D.O. Sure. Yeah.
Hey!
His head. What you want, dog? Give me that ball. There you go.
Get him, builder!
Hey, back on the ball. Back on the ball. Back on the ball. Give it to him. Hey, get it.
Get him, go, get him!
Thank you. Wrap him up. Wrap him up. Come on. He's down.
Hold that ball!
Ball out. He's down. He's down. He's down. Hey.
There we go!
Thank you.
Good job! Get him back, Mildo! Right there! There we go! Oh, yeah! There we go! Keep it up!
Down line.
They going out the middle! They going out the middle! Out the middle! Right there! Right there!
There we go.
Wow!
There we go. Come on, Huddle, give him the ball. Hold on. Hey, put your mouthpiece in. Mouthpiece in, y'all. Everybody mouthpiece in. 55. Right out of 22, get the ball. Thank you, Mason. Thank you. Ball out. That's not going that way. Going that way. Go. Go, get the ball. Outside. Ball never lost. Good job. Ball never lost. Third down. Come on, D. Hold on. Yeah, you have. Go. Touchdown. Oh, my God. Touchdown. Don't celebrate with him. Hey. Let's go. Come on, get that ball. Let's go, man. Too high, Christian. Too high. Be patient over there, AJ. Watch first, man. Let him cut back. Watch first, don't let him cut back. Half plank, square. Wide receiver. Straight up, AJ. Half plank. Go with him, Kobe.
They need you on the side.
Beat the power. Go, AJ. There you go. Touchdown. Go ahead, man. Touchdown. To that clock. Cal, you got 50. You got 50, Cal. Go! One! Good job. He fumbled. Take that. Hold that ball. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Hold it.
Defense, get your stand.
He's going everywhere. Now pieces in. I'm keeping it. There you go. Stop. That's the referee. Good.
Let's go,
Come on, if you're on the line here, come up, Mason.
Always ask him if you're good.
Come on up. Oh, yeah. Go. Come on, man. Junior go find. Go, Mason. Turn it up. Block. Good. Yeah. Nobody block. Why you looking at the runner? You ain't block. Nobody block. Y'all gotta make that block, man.
You got to tell him, man.
Go.
And about 4:45 on the clock, 6-0. Alpha Dogs up to it. 3 wide.
There you go.
Bullies.
You're the only one you got.
On the outside. Corner 30. Scampers on the outside. Alpha's with the ball. First and 10. Little man scampers to the left. Give him a stiffy. Cuts the corner. 25. Oh, get him a skipper. On the outside. Ooh, what a bump. And baby, he went down. Oh, got up and flex. And a miss.
Come on, y'all. Let's go, run. Let's go,
Ball is up.
Come on, go.
Skipper's finds the scene, cuts up, down to the 10. Skipper's back. Skipper 5.
Let's go, y'all. Let's go, y'all. Let's go.
10 on the outside, cuts back up.
One stop, y'all. One stop. No. One stop.
And around, he got it. Waiting on the single touchdown. Alpha Dog. Alpha Dog fans, make some noise. Can he get in? He's going to be drugged down. Unable to convert the extra point. Halftime.
Go, Kobe, go.
Go! Go!
Get 0. On the outside, flag and Stone. On the outside, finds the scene. And this play run.
I told him there, I got it.
First and 20. 6:33. 6-2-6.
Come on now.
Agency race one tackle. Second and 20. Alpha Dog. He cuts back up. Oh, that's not Agent 0. That's Agent 10. Down to the 45. 40. Third. Oh. Hold up. Code 25. Code 25. Touchdown.
They're not going to hold tight. They're not doing it. Hey, sideline, I got this. Let's go. Power. Put your mouthpiece in, 99. Get him. Go right there. Run.
Get him. Somebody had him. Yep, somebody got him. Might as well decline.
And he's going. Is that 10? Down to the 5. Touchdown again. Yep. That's Agent 10. Touchdown. Alpha Dog.
Might as well decline. Jamari, put your mouthpiece in.
You can't go past 25.
And get right.
You can't go past 25.
I ain't there yet. 25.
You can't come down here.
I can be right here.
You can't come down here.
I can be right here. Don't let him get that extra point.
Go.
Oh, yeah, JJ.
Hey. We need somebody wide on that side. Hey, somebody got to get
Come on. Keep going, JJ.
Skips back. And through the speed zigzag. How next guy? Down to the 20. Kenny's down his feet.
Take him down.
That's right.
Simultaneous possession. Thank you. Second down. Back it up. Go. Get it.
Number 12 on the outside. Spear tackle by number 10. Not only does he run the ball, but he tackles well. 127 on the clock. I wish I knew his name. Tackling machine and he running machine. Number 10. Pile up on the punch. Number 20.
Go. There you go. Get him down. Nowhere. Let's go. Back on the ball. Go. Get up. Back on the ball. Not line up over that city.
It's all right, though. Hey, you got it.
Slide on. Go. Okay.
And touchdown! Pile up on it.
Get up. Come on, everybody. Get up.
Get out her way with her football.
Let's go, team. I got 3 for you.
Hey. Slow it down. We thought you were broke. And that's a little perfect.
Agent 10, that is Deshaun Max. Like and love the page. All right, they're doing photography on video after about 30. Put your hand up, let them know you're out there, boss. There it is. Follow the page. Like, love, and share.
Mason, you know the top, too.
Let's go!
Go defense!
Agent 10 finds a seam, runs behind stripes, gets slow. That's waiting on the sign.
Hey, D-Long!
That's going to Agent 0 cuts back. Oh, got it with the skipper. Cuts back up. He got a blocker. Number 10. Oh, he has a convoy. Cuts back up. Agent 0.
Let's go! Come on now! Let's go! Let's go! Go, get it! Go! Go! Hold that ball!
149 on the clock. 12:13.
Let's go! Let's go!
That's right, block for you.
0 on the outside, down to the 20. Cuts back in. Rolls down. Tackle.
Back up.
Let's go, guys!
Come to the middle.
Go!
Go get him, go get him.
And that's going to do it. Your game, 12-13.